Now see, a next concept is escape speed. First one, what do you mean by escape speed? See here, you know this thing, whenever anything is thrown vertically upward from the surface of earth, it comes back to the surface of earth. But if you throw any object in such a way that it never comes back to the surface of earth, it means certain velocity is required to throw the object in this way. So the minimum speed or the minimum velocity required to throw an object from the surface of the earth so that it never comes back to the earth. That means it is going beyond the gravitational field of the earth. So the minimum speed required by a body which has to be projected vertically upward in such a way that it goes beyond the gravitational field of earth, and that minimum speed is known as escape velocity or escape speed. See here, suppose there is a, here I have considered as a earth here, this sphere here, its mass is m, this is r, and this point is O. Now any object is here at of mass m which is at a distance x from the center of earth. Now when the object is here, gravitational force is acting gm m upon x square. Now when this object is taken from here, suppose A to B by a displacement of dx, then the work is done. This object is taken without any acceleration. Then the work done by the force is given dw is equal to gm m upon x square into dx. Now if you take the body from the surface of earth to the infinite distance, it means you are taking body r to infinite. Then we can get w is equal to gm m upon x square dx, and here r to infinite, this is the limit. Now we can calculate it here. Gm m is constant, integration of 1 upon x square is minus 1 upon x infinity to here r to infinity. Now we can write w is equal to here gm m upon r. This is the work done to take the body from the surface of earth to infinite distance. So if you are throwing the body from the surface of earth with the kinetic energy, with the certain kinetic energy which is equal to or greater than this work done, then the body will be escaping the gravitational field of earth. Suppose body is thrown from the surface of earth with the speed v. So you have taken the speed v E on the surface of earth, then the kinetic energy of the body will be here half mve square, and this kinetic energy should be greater than or equal to gm m upon r. So we can write here half mve square greater than or equal to gm m upon r. So this will get cancelled. So we will be getting v should be greater than or equal to under root of 2 gm upon r. So this is the minimum speed required to project the body vertically upward such that it goes beyond the gravitational field of earth. We can put the value of gm also. So we will be getting here ve is equal to, we can write under root of twice of gr square upon r, cancel here the under root of twice of gr. If you put the value of g and r, you will be getting v is around 11.2 kilometer per second. So if any object is thrown with this speed from the surface of earth, it will not come back to the surface of earth. Now see here, this escape velocity from the surface of earth does not depend on the mass of the body, and also it does not depend on the angle of projection, but obviously you have to throw in such a way that so that it can go upward. So it is independent of the mass of the body projected. So if you calculate this escape velocity from the surface of the moon, it will be lesser because its mass and radius of the moon is less than that of the earth.